How to embroider part 1. This is your embroidery hoop. Grab the bottom hoop and place it into your sweater. Make sure it's aligned straightly into the area you want to embroider. Grab your stabilizer. I like to use cutaway. Place your stabilizer into the sweatshirt directly on top of the bottom hoop. Place your top hoop on top of the bottom one and push it in. And this is what it should look like. Your embroidery hoop will fit securely into here, like so. This is your bobbin. It's going to go in here. Place it in with the long side of the thread pointing to your right. Grab the long piece of thread and put it behind this area here and through here. Just follow it all the way down and then pull on the blade to cut the thread. Place your top back on. This is your spool of thread. You're going to place it up here. Then secure it with the cap. Grab the long piece of thread and put it through this area and back of here. And now it's going to make a little U-turn on this part here, and you bring it all the way down. And then you're going to bring it all the way back up, and there's this little hook here that it goes behind and goes back down. Now your thread is going to go in back of this piece here, but in front of the needle, like so. Now you're going to bring your thread up into this triangle area, above this 7, and up on the side here, you loop it on the hook like this. This hook here has a little blade on it, so yank down on it to cut your thread. Now your thread should be the perfect length for it to thread your needle for you. So there's this lever here that you just push down on. And this is the way it should look to start embroidering. Now that you're ready to start embroidering, click the design that you want. I'm going to use one of the fonts that is already in here. So I'm using this first font here. Now you're going to start typing what you want it to say. So you can use this arrow here. The word that I'm trying to type is wifey. Now this may happen to you. It'll say that it's too long. So if it says that it's too long, just click medium. Now it all fits, so I'm going to press set. The square around your font shows where it's going to be centered. So right now it's going to be right in the center of my sweater. I know that I want it higher up, so I'm going to click move, and I'm going to click the up button. Once it's in the position that you want, click OK. For this specific design, I don't want the letters this close together. So I'm going to click Font Edit and spread them apart. So now that the font looks the way that I want it to, I'm going to click Edit End. And I'm going to click Embroidery. Now that everything's ready, I'm going to push down this lever. And I'm also going to spin this towards me until the needle goes back up. And then I click this green button to start it. And there we go. Once you're finished embroidering, you click the scissor button, and then you remove your hoop just by pulling it up. Now remove your hoop from your sweater, and you can just take it off like this. And this crease from the embroidery hoop, you can cut that off with just a hand steamer. So now I'm gonna go in with my machine embroidery scissors I got on Amazon, and I'm just going to cut the string close to the edge, but not too close where you might actually cut the embroidery. Next, go to the back side of your sweatshirt where the stabilizer is. On the back side of it, cut the loose ends like this one here, but I wouldn't cut something like this because it's connected and I don't want to yank on it and ruin anything. Now I'm going to cut the stabilizer around the embroidery, like so. And here's the finished product.